こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make Tofu Hambagu with Japanese style onion sauce. Hambagu is a beloved Japanese dish inspired by Western hamburger steaks. Unlike a burger, it's served as a standalone patty with a flavorful sauce. Today, Mumu is giving this classic dish a plant-based makeover using tofu, paired with an umami-rich, savoury and mellow Japanese-style onion sauce. This tofu hambagu is comforting, nourishing, and deeply satisfying. Okay, let's get started. First, mince 1 medium onion. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over low heat. Add the minced onion and stir fry until softened and lightly golden, about 5 to 6 minutes. Then set it aside. Take 300 grams of firm tofu, wrap it in kitchen paper, and squeeze out as much excess water as possible with your hand. And place the tofu in a bowl. Add 30 grams of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of cornflour or potato starch, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of natmeg, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and half the amount of the fried onions. Use your hand to mash the tofu and mix everything together until well combined. Divide the mixture into 4 portions and shape them into flattened round patties. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Place the patties in the frying pan and cook until golden on the bottom. Flip the patties. Reduce the heat to low. Cover with a lid and cook for about 8 minutes or until cooked through. Once they are cooked through, transfer the patties to serving plates. In the same frying pan, add the remaining fried onions, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir and cook the sauce over medium heat until the liquid is reduced by half. Drizzle the sauce over the patties. Deきた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said that tender tofu patties pairs beautifully with the delicious onion sauce, creating an incredibly flavorful bite. It's light yet satisfying, making it a perfect plant-based meal to enjoy anytime. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね